Your plant looks healthy, but suddenly, its leaves turn brown and dry. You think you did everything right, but something went terribly wrong. What if I told you? The very fertilizer meant to help your plant is the one that's burning it alive. If you care about your plants and love learning how to keep them healthy, give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps this small community grow and keeps me motivated to make more videos for you. Stay with me till the end, because I'll share a secret I've discovered after years of caring for plants. A secret you've probably never heard before. High temperature. Fertilizing during hot hours is one silent killer. When the soil temperature is high, the water inside evaporates quickly, leaving behind concentrated salts from the fertilizer. These salts burn the roots just like fire. Always feed your plants early in the morning or late in the evening, when the soil is cool and calm. Dry or thirsty roots. Never fertilize dry soil. When the roots are thirsty, they become extremely sensitive. The fertilizer salts hit them directly, causing instant burn and root damage. Always water your plant first. Wait a few minutes, and then add your fertilizer. Type of fertilizer. Not all fertilizers are gentle. Chemical fertilizers with urea or chloride are very strong. They contain high levels of salts, which build up in the soil and damage roots over time. Try using organic or liquid fertilizers, or add humic acid and amino acids to make nutrients safer and easier to absorb. Heavy or poorly draining soil. If your soil is too compact or doesn't drain well, fertilizer salts stay trapped inside. Over time, the salt level rises and starts burning the plant from the roots up. Use loose airy soil with perlite or cocoa peat, and flush your pot once a month with clean water to wash away the excess salts. Plant under stress or shock. When your plant is under stress, like after repotting, moving, or temperature change, its roots are weak and can't absorb fertilizer properly. Even a mild dose can hurt it. During this time, skip fertilizer. Use vitamin B or amino acid solutions instead to help your plant recover and rebuild strength. Have you ever seen your plant's leaves burn after feeding it? What kind of fertilizer were you using? I'd love to read your story in the comments. After years of working with plants, I've discovered one powerful secret. If your plant is suffering from fungus rot or any kind of pest, using fertilizers will only make it worse. It gives the opposite result and can even harm your plant more. If your plant is already stressed, watch my video about how to remove plant stress fast. It's right here on the screen. Take care of your green friends, and may your plants always stay healthy and happy.